In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule a meeting in Google Calendar. This simple task is often needed in our busy schedules, ensuring that everyone involved can still attend even when plans change unexpectedly. Let's dive into the steps to make this process as smooth as possible. First, head over to your Google Calendar. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in calendar.google.com into the address bar. Sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the Google Calendar homepage, you'll see a layout of your agenda. It might look detailed or perhaps colorful, reflecting all the appointments and events you have lined up. Familiarize yourself with this view as it's your navigational board to manage your time. Next, locate the specific event you need to reschedule. Simply scroll through your calendar until you find it. Once located, click on the event. This action will open a small pop-up window that gives you an overview of the event details. Now you're going to look for the edit icon, which looks like a pencil. You'll find this icon at the top of the event pop-up. Click it to enter the editing mode for this appointment. You're now in the edit mode where you can adjust the various details of the event. Look for the date and time fields. These are going to be your focus. You'll need to change either or both, depending on what your needs are. You can click on the date field to bring up a calendar where you can select a new date. For changing the time, click the time field and input a new start and end time. Ensure that the new schedule works for all participants involved. This is crucial to avoid conflicts and to keep everyone on the same page. Once you're satisfied with the new scheduling details, find the Save button, typically located at the top of the window. Click it and you'll see a prompt asking if you'd like to send update notifications to your guests. Click Send so they receive emails with the updated details. This is an important step as your guests need to be informed of the new timing to avoid any confusion. Upon receiving the email, your guests will be able to reconfirm their attendance, ensuring that everyone can still make it to the meeting. These steps will help you efficiently reschedule any meeting in Google Calendar, accommodating changes without hassle. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your digital life.